नमस्कार दोस्तों, हमारे शॉर्ट हैंड लैब प्रयागराज चैनल पे आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मैं आपको एक लीगल डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करूंगा जिसकी स्पीड होगी 100 से 110 के आसपास। 560 वर्ड की डिक्टेशन है। आप लोग अपने आप को रेडी कर लें। स्टार्ट। द टेस्टिमनी ऑफ द एबव टू आई विटनेसेस was believed by the Tada court and their evidence had been relied on. Full stop. Learned counsel for the appellant made an endeavor to contend that the test identification parade is replete with many lapses and therefore that cannot be used for the purpose of corroborating the testimony of PW3. Full stop. We are not told of any serious lapse in the parade conducted by a magistrate and therefore even if there are some minor lapses that would not help to hold that the test identification parade was vitiated. Full stop. We too have no reason to doubt the truth of the version given by PW3 and PW4. Full stop. Of course, learned counsel then contended that the time of the occurrence was night and hence, it would not have been possible for the eyewitnesses to get a proper glimpse of the assailants. Full stop. We cannot forget the fact that the incident happened in the city of Mumbai at about 8:15 p.m. Full stop. It was not a time when the city would go dark. Full stop. PWs 3 and 4 could have seen the assailant in the light of the city. Full stop. The incident was also of such a nature that the face of the assailants cannot normally fade out from the memory canvas of the eyewitnesses, particularly, PW3, who was a close associate of the deceased. Full stop. Therefore, we are not impressed by the said argument of the learned counsel. Full stop. Paragraph. As we do not find any reason to disbelieve the testimony of PWs 3 and 4, the conviction and sentence passed on A7 Adam Ghafoor Sheikh alias Adam Tufani do not require any interference. Full stop. Paragraph. Regarding A1 Muhammad Aslam bracket alias Seru Muhammad Hassan bracket close, the only evidence for possession of the forbidden lethal weapon is the testimony of PW 34 bracket Nagesh Siudas Lohar, Assistant Commissioner of Police, CID Intelligence, Mumbai bracket close. Full stop. Learned counsel that two punch witnesses who were cited to support the recovery turned hostile and, therefore, the evidence of PW 34 became unsupported. Full stop. We cannot agree with the said contention. Full stop. If punch witnesses turned hostile, which happens very often in criminal cases, the evidence of the person who affected the recovery would not stand vitiated. Full stop. Nor do we agree with the contention that his testimony is unsupported or uncorroborated. Full stop. The very fact that PW 34 produced in the court lethal weapons recovered is a very formidable circumstance to support his evidence. Full stop. Learned counsel made an attempt to show that the recovery in fact was not effected from the said flat in which A1 Muhammad Aslam bracket alias Seru Muhammad Hassan bracket close was residing. Full stop. It is admitted that A1's wife and children were residing in that flat. Full stop. If no such recovery was made from such flat, why nobody was examined on the defense side, at least to suggest that no police officer effected any recovery from there. Full stop. As the trial court has chosen to believe the testimony of PW 34 and on a further security, comma, we too have no reason to reject the same, comma, we are emboldened to accept the testimony of that witness, full stop, paragraph. We, comma, therefore, comma, hold that the designated court was right in holding that A1 was in possession of the lethal weapons which would attract conviction under section 5 of the terrorist and disruptive activities bracket prevention bracket close act, comma, 1987, besides sections 25 bracket A1 bracket close and 25 bracket 1b bracket close bracket A bracket close of the Arms Act, full stop. Thank you so much.